Good afternoon, everyone. Hopefully you were able to do this pretty easily. Um, let's take a look at this. I don't want you to skip over the fact that there are two on top of each other. It's not just one. Okay, so here's one. I'm sorry. Let's back up. They want us to tell how many hundreds, tens, and ones, and then what that makes altogether. And then write it in here, hundreds, tens, one. So here we have our hundreds, but there's one behind it. So 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 hundreds. They're not trying to trick you. They're just trying to save space. Then there's tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tens. And 1, 2, 3 ones. 4 hundreds, 6 tens, 3 ones. 4 hundreds, 6 tens, 3 ones. That makes 463. Let's count these. There's one behind there, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hundreds. How many tens are there? I don't see any lines of 10, so I do this. 0 tens. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 ones. Now I want to put these in here. There's how many hundreds? 6. How many tens? Look again. 0 hundreds. That 0 tens. That 0 holds the tens place. And then 9 ones. Okay? That number is 609. Then let's come over here to our the last problem that's set up like this on this page. 1, 2, 3 hundreds. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 tens. They're not trying to trick you. They're just a little mixed up. And how many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, I don't need to write it again like this. I know 3 hundreds, 4 tens, 6 ones. I write like that, 346. Now here's our dig deeper for this lesson. It has 5 hundreds. The digit in the tens place is between 7 and 9. The ones digit is 2 more than the hundreds digit. Okay, so let's model it. Every time I see a word problem, I like to model it. It makes my brain think better, think clearer. So 5 hundreds, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 hundreds. The digit in the tens place is between 7 and 9. 7, 9. The number between that, of course, is 8. So that's how many tens we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the ones digit is 2 more than the hundreds digit. So the hundreds digit is 5. 2 more than 5 is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have 5 in the hundreds place, 8 in the tens place, and 7 in the ones place. Okay, 587. All right. I said do 321. Here's 323. Okay, model and write numbers to 1,000. Same thing that we were practicing earlier in the morning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 hundreds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tens. 2 ones. 4 hundreds, 7 tens, 2 ones, 472. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 in the hundreds column. 1, 2, 3, 4 in the tens column. And how many in the ones column? Nothing. 0. Okay, so 7 hundreds, 4 tens, 0 ones. Now, unlike the problems where we were finding that if I have the 0 on the left, I don't have to write it. If the 0 is on the right, I do have to write it. 740. Okay? All right, and the last one on this page, there's 2 sets of 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 tens, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones. So my number is 2 hundreds, 8 tens, 6 ones. 286. And the last page that I asked you to do for today is this. Your friend writes 8 hundreds and 3 ones as 83. Is your friend correct? Well, let's see. 800, 3 ones. If I were doing expanded, what is missing? I have 0 tens. 800 plus 0 tens plus 3 ones. If I put my 8 here, then it's like it's telling me, this number tells me that I have 8 tens, not 8 hundreds. I need the 0 in the tens place to hold its place, to hold the 8 in its spot. So no, my friend is not correct. There needs to be a 0. That number is that in the tens place. Okay? If there was a 0 in the tens place, that would make this number correct, but there's no 0, so that changes it from 8 hundreds and 3 ones to 8 tens and 3 ones. And I wouldn't want to do that. If somebody owed me 8 hundreds and 3 ones, and they gave me 8 tens and 3 ones, I would be a very sad teacher. Okay, here we go. You buy the stickers shown. How many stickers do you buy? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hundreds and 1, 2 tens. And how many ones? How many singles do we have? 0 ones. So how do I write that? 6 hundreds, 2 tens, 0 ones. I need the 0 on this problem. Okay, then there's some review problems. Hopefully you remember how to do these pretty easily. Mathematicians, what do we try to do? We try to look for things that are easier. Okay, so I have 9. This is all addition. 9 plus 2 plus 1. What am I going to look for? I'm going to look for things that add up to 10. Let's see. 9 plus 1. I know that adds up to 10. Plus 2, right? 10 plus 2 is 12. The 10 goes here. The 1s stay here. And I have 2 sets of double. I can have 6 and 2. 6 plus 2 equals 8. Let's see. Are there any things that add up to 10 in the ones column? 8 plus 2 makes 10. 10 plus 3 is 13. the 10 comes up here. I can do whichever way I want to do. Okay. So let's see. I have 3 plus 2 is 5. Plus 2 more is 7. Plus 1 more is 8. And the last one. Are there any numbers in the ones column that add up to 10? You bet there are. 4 plus 6 makes 10. Plus 1 is 11. I have 1 plus 1 is 2, right? 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 3 is 7. There we go. We can add up these 4 numbers any way you like, as long as you are counting them all. All right. Hope that all makes sense. And I hope you're having a great day. Bye-bye.